The Coach Safari Bag is a classic tote bag that has been reimagined for today's modern woman. Handbag made from glove-tanned leather and features 2 outside cargo pockets with iconic turn-lock closures. The Safari Bag can be carried by the top handles or worn crossbody with the detachable chain strap. The Coach Safari Crossbody Bag has received positive reviews from customers. Women have praised the bag for its quality, style, and versatility. The bag is also comfortable to carry and can be easily dressed up or down. Color: the Coach Safari Bag is available in black, brown, olive, and red. Price: the bag is priced at $350. Size: the Coach Safari Bag is 10.5 inches high, 13.5 inches wide, and 5.5 inches deep. The Safari Bag is part of the Coach Originals, a collection of archival-inspired bags that celebrates our legacy and authentic New York heritage. This glove-tanned leather style is based on a 1968 best-selling Coach design reimagined for today. Featuring 2 outside cargo pockets detailed with our iconic turn-lock closures, carry the petite bag by the top handles or wear crossbody with the detachable chain strap. Some styles are just too good to leave in the archives.